In this video we show you how our B4 bot automatically carries out individual process steps when an order is received. There are two screens opened. Screen number 1 shows the B4 controller, which is the central administration point for the RPA landscape and all B4 bots. Screen number 2 is the B4 bots Windows 10 workstation. Let's first take a look at how the RPA landscape, the workflow and the objects are set up on the B4 controller. Here we see the RPA work environment with all devices and B4 bots. You can see the B4 controller and 3 B4 bots. One of them works at the workstation shown earlier. Let us show you the execution. Here you can see a flowchart in which the tasks for our B4 bot are graphically displayed. At the top left is a yellow field in which these tasks are also described. The tasks of the B4 bot are: open Outlook on the target system, search the inbox for email with the subject line, order, open the PDF file attached, recognize all relevant values. For this step, the B4 bot uses optical character recognition or OCR, which makes it possible to create a text version of the PDF file. The contact details are entered in the address book, and then a standardized email response is automatically sent to the sender. For better orientation within the flowchart, you can zoom in or zoom out. The Object Manager has a tabular display of all B4 objects, the graphical representation of which we saw earlier in the Graphical Rules Editor. Individual objects and work steps, so-called B4 bot checkpoints, are also described here. Individual rules for process execution are stored in the B4 management area. A process can be triggered automatically through an event or started manually. Now let's look at the execution of the B4 bot on his workstation. The B4 bot appears on the bottom right of the screen and starts his work. He opens Outlook and checks the inbox for new incoming emails. He opens the attachment, in this example a PDF file. The B4 bot recognizes, reads and saves the relevant contact details. Opens the Contacts folder and enters the contact details. He then opens a template and updates the information. Finally, he opens an email, enters the recipient's email address, copies the text and sends the email. Finished. Easy, quick and precise. Let's find out automation potentials in your company and where the B4 bot can deliver added value. Thank you for your attention.